Hi, and thank you for joining this pilot test for the AI-integrated OBE grading system. You're currently on the landing page. To log in, please use the following credentials. Username, firstname.lastname@csucc.edu.ph and password, appcd1234 Once you have successfully logged in, proceed to the grading module to configure and test the system. In the grading module, select the academic year 2025 to 2026, first semester. Then click Display Classes to view the available classes. Select a class. From there, you need to set up the OBE syllabus for the entire class before proceeding. You can add multiple course outcomes, COS. After specifying the number of COS, select the appropriate assessment. These are created and managed by the instructor. You can add an assessment at the top right corner. Type the assessment name and register it. The newly registered assessment will appear in the list of assessments in the drop-down menu. Be sure to click Add Row so the entry appears in the table below. After adding the assessments, assign a percentage weight to each one according to their corresponding COS in the column titles. Ensure that the total equals 100%, as you won't be able to proceed if it does not align. Once you have finished setting up the syllabus, review your entries, then confirm and save your changes. In your grading sheet, you can now add an activity for the class. Select the CO you want to align the activity with, enter the task name, choose the appropriate assessment from your syllabus, and finally, set the total score for the activity. Continue adding activities for each course outcome, CO, sequentially, covering all course outlines up to CO4. Be sure to click Add Activity after entering each activity to save it to the grading sheet. Don't forget to save your work to ensure all your entries are recorded. You can now record grades in all fields. All entries are editable, including the activity titles and the total points for each activity. Remember to save your work regularly to keep your records up to date. After entering grades, you can access the class. Record pane to view automatic calculations for the initial grades, even though the semester has not yet ended. You can also monitor detailed records for each student in your class. For those who want to add rubrics to their activities, simply click the Rubrics button and set up the necessary steps. In the dashboard, click on your class to easily monitor student performance and identify those who are performing well, likely to pass, or at risk of failing.